Buffalo trading, I've had some good success there, so I'm about 5% up on that. Other aspect is cryptocurrency, and I'm about 20% up on my cryptocurrency portfolio.
So, welcome. Tell us your name, where you're from, and what do you do?
So my name is Dave Angel, and I live in Leamington Spa. And at the moment, I have a small consultancy business, and I also trade shares,
I love
crypto,
it.
and forex.
I love it. Your new identity, I love it. Okay, so what was your level of interest before you came to us?
I mean, I didn't have a lot of knowledge before, so I dabbled in shares in and out from time to time, and I'd taken advantage of share option schemes for various companies that I'd worked for. But really, I didn't know much about shares, and I think I was one of these people who would typically, buy when the market was high, because of the FOMO, and sell when everything was crashing down.
That's
And
right.
certainly, you taught me to do the opposite to that. And
Very
it's been
good.
really, really useful.
Good. So what was the best thing for you about the workshop? I think you came to a physical one. So what was the best
Yeah.
thing?
Yeah, I came to the workshop in September, having been a member of the club for about 4 or 5 months before that. And then I
Good.
joined the Gold Club actually on the workshop. So I think the best thing about it for me was actually bringing the theory to life, because Investment Mastery, you have the videos online which you can access, and generally they're pretty good, but nothing really beats bringing it to life in reality, with yourself, Dennis, and the other trainers and traders, to really get practicing and really start to see everything that is really involved in the process of trading. Because even though you follow videos and make notes, you miss things. So it's really great to have that live experience.
Yeah, that repetition and placing of trades and things like that. So I guess, Dave, everybody wants to know, so what have your results been since that time, since the workshop?
Yeah, so since the workshop, I've split it into different sectors. So I've got my VCAs, which I've been practicing on a small amount, and for those I'm up at about 4%.
Okay,
Then I've
good.
got my
That's on your entire
buffaloes
account, on your entire account.
on the pot of money that I'm using for VCAs.
Good, okay, thank you.
And then on my Buffalo trading, I've had some good success there. So I'm about 5% up on that.
Okay, very good.
And my other aspect is cryptocurrency. I'm about 20% up on my cryptocurrency portfolio.
Oh, that's fantastic. So how do you feel about your results?
Good so far. Yeah, I mean, I'm still learning and practicing. Even though you go on the courses, I think, the more you practice and the more you nuance things, the better it is. So at the moment, I'm following the rules that are set out in the club that are pretty good. And I've been risking only a smallish percentage. I mean, I've been risking 1% on each trade, as we're taught. But my pot isn't huge. So I wanted to get the hang of it, get things really going before I started to invest more money. And I think I'm at that stage now where I'm starting to feel comfortable that my success rate in my trades is going up. Before probably before Christmas, November, December, it was probably about 50. January, it's really accelerated, and my success rate both on my Buffalo trades and VCAs has gone up, and also on my cryptocurrencies has gone up hugely.
That's fantastic. That's really good. It's all got to do with confidence. So what would you say to somebody, final question, who was thinking about doing this but wasn't sure?
I would say there's never really a better moment to do it than now, because I think it's about a financial education, and that's going to stay with you forever. I really look back now and wish that I would have done this, 30 years ago. And I'm also trying to teach my kids, some of the techniques as well. They don't seem too interested yet, but when I show them the money I'm making, they say, "Well, can I do that? Can you buy me a Bitcoin?"
Oh, that's fantastic.
So
That's wonderful.
I think it's never too early to start. So I wish I would have done it earlier, actually, and really know
Yeah,
what I'm talking about. But
absolutely.
I've got a skill now that I can take with me, for the rest of my life, and I don't think I'll ever stop
And for
doing
your
this.
children, and once you teach them, they'll have it for the rest of their lives as well. You're thinking
Yeah,
about, I don't know
absolutely.
how old they are. Are you thinking about bringing them maybe on a workshop at some stage? The kids? How old are they?
And they're 21 and 18.
Ah, definitely should bring the 18-year-old. And the 21-year-old, but you know what I mean. Teenagers, fantastic.
That's
Can you
it.
imagine learning it at that age? Like, because you said, I'd like to have learnt it earlier. I'm the same. Obviously, I think everybody is. Please do make sure that they get it and that they learn from the source. And I'll tell you why, because you can tell them X, Y, and Z, and you say X, Y, and Z, and they'll probably listen to us and they may not listen to you just because of that. It's just the way it is, So that's brilliant. Listen, I'm really, really glad. I'll tell you what I'm really looking forward to, of us having another conversation in around 6 months' time, and for you to say, it's gotten even better, and I really look forward to that. Would you do that?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I mean, I think it's been really, really good. I do consider myself to be on a journey. I've learned so much in the last 6 months. I really have, particularly since September when I joined the physical workshop, and just being part of some of your online and virtual workshops. They're great. They're really good. You miss the interaction a little bit with other people, but they're fantastic. And I think having been in some of the breakout groups with other people, I've realised just how much knowledge I've accumulated over a very short period of time. So I'm
That's
really
brilliant.
looking forward to the future.
So you can share it with the other members as well on those breakout rooms, and it's great that you keep coming back to the
Yes.
virtual events as well, because that's just the way it is. It's just one of those things. It's not rocket science. You just have to keep at it and keep learning, and you think you know it, and then you don't, but then finally you do, and then, like you say, you do have it forever. So Dave, keep inspiring us. And we look forward to doing this again in around, whenever really, whenever you want. But we look forward to it. Thanks ever so much.